Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I've got a game idea for you that's on our membership subscription site at Te Reo Singalong.online, and it's based on this book here, Ko Rero Mai, which is about doing your pepeha with children. So I thought adding a game might help make that a little bit easier. So on the site you'll see that I've made the design for this template, and on the side of the dice template is all these different parts. So ko ai tō maunga, what is your mountain? No Hekwe, where are you from? Ko ai tō iwi, who is your tribe? Ko ai tō awa, what's your river? Ko ai o matua, who are your parents? And ko ai tō ingoa, what's your name? And so with that, we've got the dice, we've got the template for the body shape, and we've got these parts here. So I'll just give a quick demonstration of how children would play this game. They'd each have their own set of that, and there'd be one dice. So let's say I'm rolling the dice in. My one is, I've got this one. And then the child could say their iwi. So you could play it however you like. It's not really needing to be a competitive game, but they've got their iwi, and then somebody else will roll the dice. When it comes back to me, I'm rolling the dice and getting the other leg. So this one is no Hekwe, where are you from? And as part of the game, they could be answering those questions and practicing those sentences. You could also write the sentence on the back, and then they can fill in the gaps. Then it comes around to my turn again, and I've got this one again, so I miss a turn. So you could have it in the way that the person who's the first to fill in the whole body, they're the winner. Or you could just make it a collaborative game. If I have another turn and I get the parents, ko wai o matua, that's who are your parents, and then I would name the names of my parents, and then eventually I would fill in those ones and that one, and that's like a little picture of myself and the parts of my whakapapa. So that might be a game that you would enjoy. You can find all the parts of that on our online subscription site at Te Reo Singalong.online. Ka kite.